Yeah. Freestyle fanatic. 318 days. I got more than that many ways. It's that boy named Daves. Every single day I'm trying my best to get paid. What else can I say? I'm a ball player. Straight from LA. See you all later. Nigga, I ain't gay. I'm a motherfucking rhyme swayer, rhyme sprayer, West Coast. With my boys in the Himalayas. I ain't doing nothing but big shit player. Fuck all y'all now, then fuck you later. Move from LA to the Bay like I was a Raider. Shaking all of y'all niggas, cause I'm the greater. The most big coast, punch you in your nose. Anything goes. I got big flows, I got big hoes, and something skinny. What's up? Running routes with my boy Winnie. Getting super blasted off a bottle of Henny. I'm a fucking bastard, making y'all remember me. Coach Brown hit songs from Tennessee. Back to Inglewood, that's just how it be. What's up to my boy P in the Kenner streets? I ain't doing nothing but trying my best to eat. West Coast is a nigga HB. Coach Brown nigga that you know. I'm hardcore in these streets. Eat you like beef. I'm so hungry, I'm just buttering teeth. I don't know nothing but we keep shit moving. Hat backwards is the shit that we doing. Got these beats and got the world grooving. They don't understand what the fuck I'm doing. I'm a monster. Eat you up like lobster. For sure, shocker. Coach Brown loving me when I spit this melody over an instrumental. What you telling me? I'm out in Sacramento committing felonies. While my son getting A's in the spelling bee. I ain't yelling holla, I ain't yelling peace. I ain't doing nothing but yelling in the streets. Yeah, I'm trying to eat. Yeah, you know it's me. The capital K, the O, the C, the S, the T. Because I keep on coming street. Over $16 beats. You know me, it's called B. Oh, we so stupid. Hell yeah, I got the whole world grooving. Look how I do it. Nice in my sunglasses. I got pretty bitches with the fun asses. Move quicker than molasses. It's on cracking. Hat backwards. Stacking.